Below the bridge near the National Hispanic Cultural Center in Albuquerque on a chilly November morning, students are gathering data. The Bosque Ecosystem Monitoring Program, known as BEMP, has been around for more than 20 years. Students monitor water and gather insects and leaves at designated sites. Their data is shared with scientists at the University of New Mexico and environmental managers in state, tribal, and federal government.
You stay in the black line.
I've always liked science. The first time that I came was actually because I was assigned to the teacher that was in charge of BEMP. So I just went because I kind of had to. But then the more I went, the more I actually started collecting data for the scientists. So that was pretty cool.
I never knew how to use a beeper. I didn't know what was a measure for it until I came to BEMP, and you just drop it in the pipe and it touches water. When it touches water, it beeps.
We write down the measurement that we got. So since this was our north well, we had to write 211 centimeters.
Dan Shaw is one of the co-founders of the program, and he leads it today.
Students do real science here. This is not just answering some question at the end of a textbook. It's discovering new information about this living, changing ecosystem. And so this ecosystem is going through tremendous change brought about by the ecological drivers of flood and fire and climate and human alteration. And so in that setting, these kids are tracking those changes. We don't know what those changes will be each year, but the kids are discovering those. So a point on a graph that's generated from the data that they collect is not just a random point. They have a visceral connection of actually having gone out and tested the water levels.
Well, there's no water in here. I guess we'll just have to check it next month.
BEMP has grown from 4 sites in the 1996 school year to more than 30 sites today, from northern New Mexico to Las Cruces. And Shaw says, although the program is based at Bosque School, a private school in Albuquerque, it mostly serves students in communities along the Rio Grande.
Less than 1% of our participants are Bosque School or private school students. Most everybody are schools up and down the river, public schools, charter schools. We even have some home schools involved. So all of those kids from many different kinds of backgrounds, and we really try to get science to kids that wouldn't necessarily have lots of access to it.
Right in front of us, there is a pitfall trap, which we use to capture little insects that are in this area. So we do this 3 times a year, in spring, summer, and fall. There's 4 roly-polies and a spider.
The program follows national science standards and requires that students follow scientific methodologies so the data can be used in peer-reviewed papers or even court filings on water contamination. Shaw says the work they do in the Bosque also helps them connect with broader environmental issues.
We have the students dealing with the topics that are so compelling for us as a human population, and how do we manage the resources that we depend upon for our own survival, but also we have a shared dependency for the well-being of the plants and animals and the rest of the ecosystem.
Many students who participated in BEMP have gone on to earn science degrees at UNM or other colleges. Some have even returned to work with the current generation of students who are thinking about what they might do next. Students like Lynette, who's interested in a career in medicine.
It did change my perspective on science and how I viewed it, because I always thought it was always just numbers and formulas and stuff like that. But now that when I came here, it gave me a whole other view of actually how science works, because you're not just looking data up on the internet, you're actually going out and collecting it yourself.
Although the conversation about science education is sometimes contentious, both in Santa Fe and Washington, D.C., Dan Shaw says that many policymakers have responded positively to the work being done by students through the Bosque Ecosystem Monitoring Program.
We're being paid to do science by agencies that then use our student findings. So that seems like a good use of public monies. Why not get the school kids to help gather that information and then provide it to the folks who have to use it? And so we get to feed 2 birds from 1 feeder.
There's another benefit to bringing students outside to learn. They develop relationships with their own watersheds and landscapes and know what's at stake when it comes to protecting them. For New Mexico in Focus and Our Land, I'm Laura Paskus.